everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. So today I'm going to show you some good Excel tricks and tips. So let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to use remove duplicates in any Excel file. So I have this data with me. In this column A you have the product list, column B I have category of the product, and column C I have the unit price of the product. So as you can see this data in this product name is repeated so many times, similarly like category also and unit price also. So what I want to remove all the duplicates product names from this table. So as you can see how many total count I have total 244 count. Okay, but in this 244 uh, one product is repeating so many times, so just I have to remove duplicates. So what I'm going to do is I will just select this table. I will go to my data tab in the menu bar. In this I have the data tools here, and in this data tools I have a different option. So I have to select this remove duplicates. So description only you can see delete duplicates row from a sheet. You can pick which column should be checked for duplicate information. So I will just click on this here. Just all the category no need to select, just unselect all. Which column you want to remove the duplicate data. So I will just select the products. I want to remove duplicate product name from this sheet, so I will select product. If you want you can select the category also or unit price also. So I will just select products and click OK. So as you can see, after selecting that video option, I got this pop-up in which 235 duplicate values found. Means 235 duplicates product names are there, and it is removed also, and 9 unique values remains in this sheet. So now I have only 9 unique product names. So this is how you can use remove duplicate, and it is very helpful for you. So second I'm going to show you how to use find and replace. Okay, so here I have some data with me. In this I have the order value received at the particular date. So in this, see, I have total 3116 count. So many values are there. If you want to check the particular order value received on what date, like if I want to find like 2000 is the order value, on which date it is received. So just I have to go to my home tab. In this, in the right side you will find one option of find and select. Just click on this. In the first option is find, second one is replace. So I will just find first. So what I want to find, I want to find 2000. So just type 2000 and click on find all. So here you can see cell number along with the value. So it will take not only the number starting from 2, like 2000, wherever 2000 is present, it will show all the cells. Like in this 52,000 also 2000 is there as the last 4 digit. So these all cells it will show. So this is how we can use find for if you want to find any value, any number, any letter, uh, anything you want to find in any particular data. So you can use find option. Second one is replace. So in this sheet you can see I have in my bottom of this column I have in the bottom of my column I have NA. Okay, so these all the cells don't have any value. No order was received on this particular date. So I want to replace this NA with a particular value, that is a 0. I want to replace all these NA cells with 0. So what I can do is just select this table, okay, and go to this find and select option in home tab and click on this replace. Okay, so first what you want to replace, you have to find that. Means like I want to replace NA, so I want to find NA here and then replace with. So this NA, what you want to replace, means in place of NA what you want. So I want 0 in place of NA, so I will type here 0 and I will click on replace all. So what it will do, it will replace all the cells having the letter NA with the value 0. So in this you can see total 1537 replacement in place of NA 0 are placed. So this is how we are using find and replace option, which is a unique feature in Excel. So now you will learn how to combine text from two or more cells into a one cell. Okay, so here I have one data for you in which I have first name in my A column, last name in my B column, and column C is empty. So in this cell, I want the combination of these two cells. Okay, so for this, what I will do, I will show you. Just press is equal to, select the first cell. Now you have to enter ampersand. Now select the second cell. Just press enter. I got this. But in this, as you can see, between the first name and last name, space is not there. Okay, so I need space also. So what I will do, so again I will type just is equal to, select the first cell, ampersand. For giving space, just you have to do just one quotation mark, space, again close the quotation mark, then ampersand, and then select the second cell. So here I got space also between my first name and last name. So for giving space, nothing else, just you have to give quotation mark in between these two cells using ampersand and you will get it. One more way is there for if you are not remembering this thing. So one more way is there to combine both the cells. So what I will do, just press is equal to, type concat, just select this cell, comma. Now I need space between both the cells. Okay, both the names. I need space between my first name and last name. So same thing, just give a quotation mark, give a space, again quotation mark, and just select the cell using ampersand. So here I got it. Same thing, both the ways is very easy, and same for getting the same thing for all the readers, I will just drag it down. So here what I got full name in which first name and last name both are there. So this is what very useful in combining any two data present in any cell. So this is what you learned today. Hope it is useful for you. So now here I'm going to show you the most interesting trick in MS Excel. Okay, so which is how to access shortcuts key without remembering it. See, you know all the common shortcuts like Control C to copy a cell, Control V to paste it, or if you want to do undo, just Control Z. If you want to print it, if you want to print it, just Control P. So so many shortcuts are there in Excel. We can't count also. So, but I have a small solution for you. Like, see, I have so many options in this page layout tab or home tab or insert tab. So many options are there. But some shortcut will be there to use it without clicking on this insert tab, and you have to go to this symbol option or text option. You have to click on it and then you have to select. No need to do this. Just what you have to do, I will show the most interesting tip. So what you have to do is just press Alt plus H. Here you got all the shortcuts. What you have to do, whatever letters and numbers are present in front of these options, just type it with Alt. Alt plus whatever numbers and letters are present. So what I am going to do, if I want to make a border of this table, just I have to do Alt plus B. For this border, I have to press Alt plus B. So here, for all the options, I have different letters, which is you can use as a shortcut. So I need all border. So Alt plus A. No, first I have to select this. Sorry. So again, Alt plus H, Alt plus B, and Alt plus A. Here I got it. So if you want to do it like you have to click. If you are getting bored, okay, mouse, who will touch mouse? Okay, you have the keyboard in front of you. Just press Alt plus H, get the number. What is the number for that option? I need to format my table with a different design or color. Just press it with Alt. So Alt plus T, which I want, just select it. Press OK. Just you want. This is very easy. Okay, you no need to remember each and every shortcuts and all. For this is not for only one tab. This is for each and every tab. Like if I want to do remove filter, so just Alt plus H. Go to this, sorry, data. Okay, Alt plus H. Here the option is there, shorten filter. Alt plus S. Alt plus F. The filter is removed. So this was the trick what I was thinking to show you. It is very interesting trick. Without using your mouse, you can easily access all the shortcuts. Not all, but more than 90% shortcuts you can get to know. So hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe to my video. I hope you learn something. If you learn something, please like and comment also. So see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.